Welcome back to SA Ease with Tech, where we help you find the best tech and tools that actually make your life easier. Today, we're diving into something that can change the way you see the universe. Literally, the Celestron NexStar Evolution 8-EdgeHD telescope with Eyepiece Accessory Kit. Now, if you've ever tried stargazing with a basic telescope, you know the frustration. Blurry images, constant manual adjustments, and never quite finding the object you wanted. That's exactly why people quit before really experiencing the beauty of the night sky. But what if you could cut through all that frustration and see planets, galaxies, and nebulae in crisp detail without spending half the night fiddling with controls? That's where this bundle comes in. Clear, sharp images, no more blurry nights. The Edge HD optical system with star, bright XLT coatings ensures every image is sharp and bright. Whether you're looking at Jupiter's bands, Saturn's rings, or distant galaxies, you won't see the distortions common in cheaper telescopes. No guesswork. Smart tracking with SkyPortal app. Forget hunting in the dark. With the free SkyPortal app, your phone or tablet becomes the control center. Just tap the object you want to see, and the telescope aligns automatically. This saves you time and effort every single night. Built-in mount accuracy. Thanks to its mount modeling and brass worm gears, this telescope gives pinpoint accuracy from horizon to horizon. That means less frustration trying to find and keep objects in view. Ready for astro imaging. If you've ever dreamed of capturing your own deep space photos, this is your gateway. The NexStar Evolution 8 HD is the only fork-mounted telescope in its price range, designed for serious astro imaging, not just casual viewing. Complete accessory kit. You don't need to buy extras right away. The included Celestron Eyepiece and filter kit gives you a variety of magnifications and filters, perfect for both planets and deep sky objects. That saves you money in the long run. Here's the truth. Most telescopes under this price point either give you great visuals, but no smart features, or advanced tracking but weaker optics. The NexStar Evolution 8-EdgeHD does both. It's the sweet spot between professional grade and user-friendly, which means beginners can use it and advanced users won't outgrow it. Who it's for. Beginners who want an easy start without frustration. Families who want to share stargazing nights together. Hobbyists ready to capture stunning astro photos. Anyone who values time, precision, and lasting quality. Imagine setting this up in your backyard. Instead of wasting an hour trying to align manually, you and your kids can actually see Saturn's rings within minutes. Imagine capturing a nebula and sharing your photo with friends instead of downloading stock images online. That's not just astronomy, that's creating memories. Pros: crystal clear Edge HD optics, easy control with SkyPortal app, accurate built-in mount with brass worm gears, great for both visual astronomy and imaging, comes with a full accessory kit. Cons: higher investment compared to the beginner scopes, heavier than small portable models. But if you're serious about astronomy, this isn't a toy. It's a long-term investment. The Celestron NexStar Evolution 8-EdgeHD isn't just a telescope, it's a frustration-free gateway to the stars. It saves you time, helps you capture better results, and makes astronomy something you actually look forward to. If you're ready to level up your stargazing experience, I've linked this exact bundle down below, so you can check it out. This is SA Ease with Tech, bringing you the tech that truly makes life better. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell, so you never miss another solution-focused review. Clear skies, and I'll see you in the next one.